Hi guys, it's Melen again, your Monday accent coach. In today's pronunciation tips, we're gonna learn the L consonant sound. Actually, we have the dark L and the light L sound. But first, let's focus on the light L sound. So how to make the light L sound? When we're making the light L sound, the tip of your tongue presses at the back of your front teeth. Then release it quickly. I'll show you how. La 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 la. La li li lu lu. La li li lu lu. The lips should relax. There's no tension at all. Okay, so try this. Repeat after me. Like, like. I like you. I like you. Love, love. I love it. I love it. Listen, listen. I listen to the radio. I listen to the radio. Lay, lay. Lay down here. Lay down here. Last, last. I slept well last night. I slept well last night. And also, you can distinguish the light L sound with the beginning or at the end of the syllables. For example, family, family. I miss my family. I miss my family. Badly, badly. The car crashes badly. The car crashes badly. Gracefully, gracefully. She dances gracefully. She dances gracefully. Lonely, lonely. She's lonely. She's lonely. And the last example is highly, highly. I highly recommend this course. I highly recommend this course. Alright guys, so I hope you found this useful for you, and I want you to make a short video by using some of these words and try to give your own examples. And I look forward to seeing your task, and I'll see you in the group. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.